Let me start by showing the data feed that we are looking at. This is right here. This would be like an example of one of the variant IDs that I am trying to look for in this data feed. The end result of that would be getting a custom URL associated with that variant ID, which then kicks the user out to a 3D viewer experience. I'll show you that real quick. So it looks something like this. So in our flow, let me show you our current problem we are having. It's in this 3D and AR abandoned cart flow. I'm just working on this one right now, trying to get it to work before any others. So let me show you how it's supposed to look first. Just hard code in an example. So now that I've hard-coded in an example ID, I get the button and it works like it should. That's great. So our main issue right now is if we look at the code, I can concatenate a store ID with an underscore right here, so it matches up with our data feed. So it looks a little something like this. I can concatenate that, product ID and a variant ID, all in a p tag, and that looks perfect when I preview it. So you can see right here. Now when I use that same logic in this if statement right here, where I go and check if it's equal to a variant ID over here in our data feed, it does not work. It actually does not show anything, even though this should, in theory, be the correct way of concatenating. If you guys have any ideas, I'd love to hear them. We have also tried this, putting a string around the feed. I don't know if that actually matters or not, but we still get, hold on a sec. Lost. Yeah, I guess when I put the string around the data feed, it does not work. I don't know why. Even though this one up here has a string, it's very odd. For posterity, yes, we are using the correct feed. If we go into data source, our extra items, row alias items, that's all working perfect. Thank you, Rob. I just don't know why our concatenation method does not work when we're checking something against a data feed variable. Like if we put this in here, save it, preview, and there's nothing. If you guys could help us out, that would be amazing. Thank you.